Here we are at the Bay of Islands honey shop. Discover New Zealand's biggest beehive. There's a big buzzy bee over there, and there it is, the giant beehive. Very cool. Big phoenix palm there. The honey shop, $20 a kg for bush honey and free tasting. Yes, we are open. Ho ni. Oh, let's have a look then. Wow, isn't this cool? Alright, honey lollies. Range. Love that, the beehive shelving, that's cool. All the honey products, skincare and stuff, eh? Soaps and wax candles. Oh, they're pretty cool. Some information about it.
Hello.
Kia ora. Just having a little look around.
Yeah, it's alright.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Pretty impressive.
You're welcome to try the honey.
Oh, thank you very much. Welcome to try the honey, she said. Isn't that nice? I like the little bear, that's cool. Here's behind the scenes there where they do all the packaging. Very cool. Manuka Honey lozenges. And there's your buzzy bees. Famous New Zealand icon, the buzzy bee. And they go click, click, click when you scoot it along the ground, and the wings go round and round. Anyone in New Zealand grew up with those. There's one there. There we go. There it goes. That's what it does. Isn't that cool? Something for the kids. Some more information there. Some medicinal properties and benefits. Some balms and stuff.
Blocks of beeswax.
Yeah, blocks of beeswax. There it is. Pure beeswax. $35 for that one. Very useful products. Oh, I like that. That's pretty cool. Lots of things for the kids. Books and stuff. A little bee. A little buzzy bee. Cool. Wow, how long's this shop been here for?
Since 2013, I think.
2013.
Yeah,
It's
we
very
bought it 2020,
okay.
right before COVID.
Okay, but it was it a bee shop before that?
Yeah, yeah. it's
Okay.
a honey shop, yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And has the giant beehive actually got bees in?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Friendly Italian ones, I hope, or something?
Yes, yeah.
Awesome.
Friendly.
All right, well, we'll go and say a quick hello to them on our way out. Thanks so
Okay.
much, eh?
No
You guys have a really good day.
Have a good day, thank you.
Hey, mate.
Bye. Hello.
All right. Well, aren't they friendly? And there's the giant beehive. Yeah, look, there's the bees all buzzing around it. Friendly Italian bees, that's good. I won't go and give them a pat, but pretty cool. And so that's on the road on the way into Kerikeri.